Hey everyone, it's Sumi. My friends and I decided to take a road trip to Algonquin Park to enjoy the fall colors, and I thought I'd take you with me. It's a 2.5 hour drive from Toronto, so it's not too bad, and the scenery is just stunning. So, obviously, since this is a vlog on the Tadka project, we are going to focus a lot more on the food. So, for lunch, we decided to stop at this really nice and cute Thai restaurant called I My Thai. It's in Huntsville, Muskoka. It seemed like the only place that had vegan and gluten-free options. So I don't know if you know this, but I'm sensitive to so many food groups. Besides Indian cuisine, Thai is the one other cuisine that I can eat without any fear. So my friends decided to get some veggie spring rolls and deep fried tofu. Both of these have gluten, so I don't have them. But here's a delicious shot of these things, and I'm so jealous. And I got a green curry with steaming hot rice. This was so good, and it gets really cold as you travel up north, so warm and comforting foods like this just feel so yummy. And over here, my friend got a red eggplant curry thing, which was also pretty good. I don't know about you, but I have a huge sweet tooth and I have to have something sweet after a meal. Since I'm traveling, I decided to treat myself, and we found this really cute chocolate shop that was selling dark chocolate. So I got myself some dark chocolate almond bark and some vegan raspberry truffles. We finally made it to Algonquin Park. It was a very beautiful ride, so I'm not really complaining, but I'm excited to go on the hikes and trails. And as you can see here, this is where we are on the map, and we're thinking of doing a few easy trails. As you know, in the spring, I went to see the cherry blossoms at High Park. If you're interested in that, check it out here. But right now I'm doing the fall version because I just love seeing all the different colors and how the seasons just change everything in Canada. So, fun fact about Algonquin, it's the oldest provincial park in Ontario, and it's almost 8,000 square kilometers. We got here in the perfect time to enjoy the fall colors. I think if we had come a week earlier, the leaves might have still been on the trees, but this is fine too. We also lucked out because the weather was so still. There was no wind, there was no rain, it was just bright and perfect. I'm already hungry after that giant Thai lunch. So here I have some snacks I bought on hand. So some strawberries, cherry tomatoes, my favorite cereal because it literally is the best thing. And I also got some rice cakes and hummus. And this is some delicious rhubarb and strawberry jam that I bought in Muskoka. We're going on another trail. So apparently it's home to lots of different species. So I'm excited to see what we bump into. Hopefully it's not a moose or a bear, but anything else, I am super excited. So what's really cool about this trail is that most of the water bodies that you'll get to see in the footage were made by beavers. That is so Canadian, and thanks, beavers! We got completely carried away because this trail was so beautiful, and it got dark really quick. We'd heard a lot of horror stories about just bad things happening to inexperienced hikers who decide to do stupid things, just like this, at Algonquin Park. We definitely also heard a bear. That was quite frightening. But apparently, I don't know, I remember reading this in the instruction manual with the maps that I showed earlier. Thank God we read that. It said to ward off any bears, you just have to be really noisy and make sure you have really bright flashlights. So we just started talking and singing really loudly, and we walked stomping our feet and shining our flashlights. But yeah, no, we made it, and that was definitely an experience. My friend read that there was a fire pit at this Airbnb. So glad she read that because she ended up bringing some firewood, and we made this really cozy fire and we just talked around it, had some hot tea. It was such a good end to this day. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I'll see you another time.